How to change password on NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Click on the email sign-in option and enter the email address associated with your account. Unlike traditional platforms, NanoBanana.ai doesn't have a password or password change option. Instead, every login is secured with a 6-digit verification code sent to your email. This system ensures your account stays safe without the need for a password. Check your email inbox for the 6-digit code from NanoBanana.ai. If it doesn't appear immediately, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Copy the code and paste it into the verification box on the login page. Once verified, you are securely logged in and ready to access all features. Because NanoBanana.ai uses this email verification system, there's no traditional password to change. Your login is always protected with the 6-digit code, making it simple and secure. Now you know how to change your password on NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.